Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. 2008, 9, 10, 11 Mercedes-Benz. We changed the transmission complete, I believe. And we are trying to unlock the security using Hotel 608. Okay. So now here we connect it to the transmission connector there, as you see, and then we put the OBD2 here for this one. And now we're gonna go to our tools. No, that's okay. I just want something to sit on it. بس ما قاعد أديك أقعد عليه عشان أجلس. Okay, I gotta go to Imo, accept, then I'm gonna call here. I will go Mercedes, Benz. Yes, it's Bluetooth, it's not bad. Oh, I need Wi-Fi. You have Wi-Fi?
I have Wi-Fi here.
I see Optimum. Okay, what do you have here? Infinity.
1 second. 1 second, I'm gonna tell you now.
Let me rescan it again. I have Optimum saved. I have the
009, this one.
my Optimum. Your password. Connected. What year is that?
Yeah, sure.
2008 to 14. Control unit. TCU tools. Read TCU information. Ignition is on. No, we don't need it.
Okay, let me tell you back.
Yes, you have a TCU.
I'm gonna call you back in a few minutes. Bye.
You see here, everything is okay. So what I'm gonna do is very simple. I say okay, save data. Okay. You're gonna do it only on bench. Okay. You must be online. Good, we succeed. Save, okay. Succeed in ruining the truck. Do you want to read transmission data? Yes. Yes. Now DW, we have everything here correctly. Personalized, no. Activated, no. Let me say, okay. Okay. I'm gonna leave it this one like this. We're gonna go disconnect it and we put it back in the car and then we try it. The only thing you have to do on the car is to read, to do the shift reload. So let's put it back and see what happened. Okay, disconnect the disconnect it from there too. Disconnect from the transmission. Good. Good. Put the old one back.
From the transmission?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. Now everything here is good, right? Now move this. Yes. How it is?
I need to check outside. It's working.
It's working? I see my friend smiling. Give us headache like crazy, so let's see what happened. That's why I need to try it outside. Just don't get no tickets. No, open the security. I don't want to go more to. I don't know what software you have because I'm 100 sure about this transmission is good. I don't want to go get some information. Maybe your transmission was corrupted before, or whatever. Write it down and then you go to square one. Let me go with you. This is a BMW engine that need to be replaced. That's the car. Yeah, I will. We're gonna drive it now. Man, this car here give us hard time, I know. How many times you go to Brooklyn, New York with it? Okay. Let me put the seat belt. What is spray in this car? We can see that. Are you sure? Don't tell me anything. I see. I feel it.
They change.
I feel the car how it's flying. Thank God. I don't know what means what. Yes. You know the transmission itself is happy because it was dropped in the ground there for a long time. Nobody taking care of it. The transmission itself was sad. They say, no, I'm not gonna see the street of America anymore to be driven. Now I see. Yes.
It's good for now. It's okay.
Thank God. Sport mode, everything you have it. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Yeah, it must be good. Today we got it. We got it for the headlight. We got it for this
Yeah.
one. Good. Yes. Now, if you want to do the shift relearn, I don't believe you need it.
I think they need.
Hmm?
I think they need.
The shift reel, what they call shift relearn. If you want, I'm gonna put the shift relearn for the put it park neutral and your oil and all this, everything is good.
Yeah, yeah. I need just to check what's going on with this one. This one
The
just.
brake, the ABS. We're gonna check it now if it's possible. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, and see you in another video. And that means if you have a used transmission from the same car, 2008 to 14 or 2008 to 12, 11, it will be able to
Fix it.
versionize it and just drive it. Thank you. Please subscribe, share, and like.